We are designing an automated elderly care system which keeps an automated care of basic requirement of things which are of daily use and are important for elderly people. In this product, we are using an IoT technology in our product which keeps an automated care and provides them automatically with the basic requirements which are needed and are important for the elderly people. We have got the proposed block diagram for our product. In this product, what we are going to do is we are having a master controller board which we are going to use as a development kit. With this kit, we are going to interface various sensors like weight or force sensor, which we are basically using a pressure sensor. Level sensor is also there, which we are going to interface, and one IR obstacle sensor is there, which we are going to interface with the main controller, which will be going to sense the obstacles. With this master controller, we are going to use the connectivity, LAN connectivity where we are going to use, that will be wireless connectivity. According to our block diagram, what we have used is this one as a master controller. This one is also a development kit, which is actually a bigger board. This will use a launch pad, which we will be interfacing with this development kit, various sensors which we have already talked about, like weight sensor, pressure sensor, or level sensor and obstacle sensor. These all comes under this booster pack. This is a booster pack which contains all the sensors integrated all together in it. We are going to interface this sensor with this development kit, and through this we are going to interface these sensors. And the sensors which are not included in this booster pack are given in these ICs, which contains all the signal conditioning circuits and various sensors required for our product. So these are the sensors which we are going to use, and we are going to interface with this main development kit. And one more thing for connectivity part, what we are using here, LAN connectivity. So for wireless connectivity development kit we are having this, we will be using with this development kit, and we will be interfacing with this kit like this, and we will be interfacing all these things together to make our product. So these are the things which we are going to interface all together and integrate all together to make our product and make this module complete. Till now we have been able to access our main circuit board, which is actually a Beagle board, and have successfully interfaced the wireless connectivity USB port, which is CC2531 USB evolution kit, and had successfully interfaced with all the sensors. And right now what we need to do all is to integrate all the sensors all together and complete the module. We have talked to certain elderly people about our product and shared our ideas with them along with certain demonstrations. And we came to know about various suggestions along with good appreciation about our product as well. Some people suggested us to take care of certain additional items other than what we provide in our product. Like they suggested us to add a reminder system for their medicines, which they usually forget to take on time. So we have made certain changes in our product, like modifications we need to do. Like we are going to add certain intruder alarm system along with our product, so as they can have their medicines on time. So we are going to add an intruder alarm system along with our product as well. There is also an emergency alarm provided in our product, so that which will help the elderly people in case of emergency. If they are having an emergency situation, that alarm system will help them in case of emergency. So some additional sensors and circuits also we are going to add, which a user can modify according to his use. Like whenever you want to use that alarm system or sensors for some his personal use or some additional use, they can use through their own modifications. So that are the modifications that we are going to use, and that are modifications which we are going to include in our products, so as to according to a certain recommendation from the elderly people.
The pricing of the product is basically divided into two parts: manufacturing of the product and installation of the product. However, the cost of our product is very low as compared to the other automation system available in the market. And we are also using IoT facility, which adds an edge over other products. The manufacturing of our products is very low because we are using simple sensor and circuit, but installation cost will vary as it will modify according to the user's need. First of all, we are planning to distribute our product to the seeker of automated help. We will be doing it through the government scheme and will meet the need of customer as it requires the proper installation. There will be the various advertising techniques through the internet on various social sites and e-commercial sites. The product will be modified and will be made available to the customers according to their need.